Okay, so hi Malati, I know you. You are not new for my channel, and thank you just giving your time for the second time we are meeting here. So yes, I think we already just make many videos. The separately we are just making many video. So viewers know about your in our introduction. So, but I think just a name and where are we from, so we can just introduce yourself. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, having me here and in your channel. I feel very happy, very elated today. So, and if I have to give already, as you know each other, but who are the new viewer and audience purpose, definitely I would like to give my short introduction. Hi, everyone. My name is Malati. I live in Bangalore. And nowadays I am working and as well as simultaneously I am also very small YouTuber by the name is English with Malati. Yeah, it's pretty much about myself.
Okay, so nice. Again, every time just you speak very nicely. So yes, from my side, this is V Ruchi Singh. I'm a teacher. I'm a social science. I teach social science. I'm teaching in a convent school, and yes, I also have a small YouTube channel. But where always I try to post my subject related video as well as this conversation video because it's just give me both kind of benefit. The same as I can improve my English communication, and the second thing I can improve my subject knowledge as well. So
Yes,
this is pretty much
definitely.
about.
Who are the watching your video? They will get two benefit. First, they can learn English and as well as from their knowledge also because it totally related social, totally related nowadays what is going on in our society and what kind of hurdle our societies are facing and so many things you are incorporate. I feel very happy when I show your video and you are not only one content you are including so many things which is very benefits for students also who are student who are not student also like a working person also housewife also everyone purpose you are including this is a very good. I feel very happy when I show and I get so many ideas also from your video, ma'am.
Thank you so much for this appreciation. Actually, I know this that the social science is the kind of subject I think everyone can relate with this because there are so many social issues and political systems, so many things and geographical things. It's a very vast subject. So
Yes,
everyone can relate, whether they are a student or not. It
yes,
doesn't matter. So
yes.
yes, I think okay. I have one or two question in my mind because nowadays you know that the patriotic or the Independence Day just already had gone. Now in 15 now is around 20 just before 5 days we
Yes,
celebrated it.
yes.
So, in one question in my mind, I think the celebration method or celebration process of 15 Independence Day, I think it should be little change or some innovative, something improvement should be there like that by the government, by the people, or by the school authorities. Anything need just in your mind, any idea that we should need to change it?
Okay, it's a great question. But one thing I would say, I'm not that much familiar about India's, Independence Day and something. Recently, I'm starting. Last time also, I have visited my son's school. I have seen them program also, what kind of activities they were doing there. I have seen, and I found something is there. Means I'm not that much familiar about that things because it was my first present there. Okay,
Yes, I
and
can understand. Yes.
yes, and I got the idea why people are celebrating Independence Day and what
Mm,
kind of when these things happen. This is the 18th of Independence Day. So many things
mm,
I got the idea, and what I'm thinking, yes, they were celebrating grand levelly. So, but one things I also observed there, yes, they were including all the student for different participation and
mm,
whatever they have a potential. Okay, some
mm.
students were very active in a game, some students were very active in a dance, some student like that they want to do presentation there. Okay, what kind of
Yes.
potential, and some of the students were giving speech. Okay, which is also
Mm,
very crucial. They were including all the things about our society, our country as well, all over countries they were including. So your question was every year we are celebrating, right? So
mm,
this
mm.
method should be continue or we should change the method like that.
Yes,
We should
yes,
not
little
like
bit,
our
yes.
little bit change the method like that. More than maybe you are familiar and you know idea about that. But as far as I know, yes, in that days I would say, because I'm very grand level person. Okay, so I would go directly in a ground level only. I'm
Hmm. Oh,
considering, yes, who are very who are able to go to school, who are able to study good school and good, who are getting good education. For that they are getting that kind of so many programs, so many opportunity. Okay, so
hmm.
if we are going in a village rural area where still so many children are not able to get proper study, proper
Hmm.
education. Okay,
Yes,
so in that duration I would say yes, they are investing lot of money also for that this kind of. It's also good because everyone should understand, who are the newcomers also, new student, new children, they should understand what is the Independence Day. Okay, for example, I came last a few year back here, and first time I attend, then I got the idea that much important of year, right? So that's
hmm.
why all the student, all the persons should get the idea, okay, why people are
Yes,
celebrating. But the celebrating method can different. They can celebrate
yes,
in a different way also, who are not getting proper education, even food item also, even so many things. Our country, we should not go far.
hmm.
In
Hmm.
our country,
Yes,
children are children are behind of that. So from our government, I would say they should have rectify, or they should have find out those kind of children who are physical disabled and still they are not able to go schools also. For there also they can do invest also. For then
yes,
who are the qualified means, every children have a different potential, right? If
yes, yes,
any child get the that kind of opportunity, definitely in future he can do something for country, na, for
yes.
society, for country. So we
Of
should
course, of
be,
course.
yes, so we should be aware about from government. I'm telling, if they can do this kind of things, everyone can get the good quality of education, and they can go ahead, they can make country also like that. I'm thinking, I want to know about your opinion, because you will give very nicely. I'm not that much perfect in that place, so that's why only my opinion I keep here, man.
Yeah, it was very good. Actually, you just give a very nice answer. Yes, they are the future and the far places they are living. So I think we should encourage them to participate for the education and the basic needs also. So it was
Yes,
very nice answer. But yes, some things I want to add it on this because I saw now you can see also you have seen many videos also on the social media, the
yes,
celebration videos, especially the government school, very far places or village schools, they celebrated. Okay, independence not just mean to just unfold the flag and just a celebration and just taking the sweets distribution and just to go to home and just is kind of now people is making to understand that they it's a kind of holiday.
yes,
Okay, they are just to having these pleasing, and that is kind of a holiday, the
yes,
celebration. So it's when I just see this situation, so it just comes in my mind. I think this is I think the young generation or our Gen Z, they should aware about this situation.
yes,
That freedom we just got by very hardship, very much hardship the people faced that time. So I
yes,
think they should understand. They should just make improve these things. It
yes,
means they should need to understand how they got it. It means first understand their priority or their just a cleaning about this. Not to blame every time to government. Okay, now every time just we are for the cleaning, for the outside or the colonies or the every time we should be responsible. We
yes,
always just talk about our fundamental rights. You know
yes,
that about no fundamental rights. There's every
yes,
person now having in India six fundamental right to equality, right to freedom, like that.
yes,
But not nobody talking about the duties
yes,
because as a teacher I feel this that we should learn when I just ask to my student, okay, they are the junior one, they are the little one, they are the learner. But
yes,
if I talk about the young people and the just adult people, they know they are aware about their right, but not
yes,
about what are your duties about the society, about the nations.
Mhm.
First, just do your work as very honestly. What you are doing? It means you are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are a lawyer. Any of work you are doing, I think you should do that by honesty. Not to blame the government. You know that you are living in a very vast country, most populated country. How can you blame to every time to the government that is not doing, so blame to government, not all the MLAs. Okay, they are also the human beings. Okay, we are the taxpayer, we are giving money, but not to. Now you can see the situation, the government school, yes, principal is the, I'm not blaming to any, that's a government school, but see the situation. You also have seen many videos.
Yes.
I think when I just saw this, that this kind of school and the situation they are doing that, so I think it's not a just after 80 years, just we are
Yes.
just getting freedom after just completing 80 years. Now this time we are just having this situation in our education system or in our government school. So I think we also responsible for this. We are
Yeah.
also responsible for this.
Each and every person are responsible for
Are
that. Just
responsible.
we should not, blaming any time for government. Every
Mm.
each and every person are responsible about that. Yeah, I also agree about that.
Mm. So now, yes, I know that. So we can discuss. Okay, we are the adult one. We know about right and duties. So yes, I think like ourselves, if some people also in the society, so yes, we can raise this question. Or if we are understanding, so so many people can understand. Even they watch this video, so they can just realize that what they are doing. If they are doing their work with honesty or not. So like that, it okay, it's kind of just awareness that
Yes.
we are doing.
Yes.
So yes,
Exactly.
I also have a one question. Okay, after the patriotic celebration, okay, it had done. Now the another festival is coming, the Raksha Bandhan. You know that.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think that Raksha Bandhan celebration? Not only Raksha Bandhan, the festival celebration process also changing nowadays.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Completely.
what is your opinion only for the Raksha Bandhan? Then after we can move in the other celebration. Okay, what do you think
Okay.
about that Raksha Bandhan celebration? Is something
Okay.
changed and before the years that you
Mhm.
celebrated in the past time?
Yes, in my if I talk about my side, I want to include little bit my side, Nepal side Raksha Bandhan. Okay,
Hmm.
nowadays because of social media, people are celebrating each other festival. Okay,
Hmm.
actually Raksha Bandhan is our festival means not for sister and brother. Nowadays everyone learn from social media. Okay,
Hmm.
but this festival from there who are our pandit, main person of this, our who
Okay.
are doing panditai,
Hmm.
something like na
Hmm.
kriya
Yeah, I know that.
karma, all the
Hmm.
things. Those person will come in the early in the morning. We should be prepared. We should be ready for that, and they will tie the thread in our hand because of
Hmm.
long life, because of healthy life, because of or
Okay.
whatever we have a desire, it would be fulfilled. Like it's a blessing thread. Okay,
Hmm.
not for a
Bliss.
marketing nowadays. So many we are getting, not it's a blessing thread.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
he would be tie all the person's member, and if he would not able to come our side, jiju means
Hmm.
son-in-law, my mother's
Yes.
son-in-law means
Yes.
my
Hmm.
husband can be there and our jiju can be there. Any
Hmm.
person who are the respected person of the family, they will come and they will the tie. Okay, they will tie the
Okay.
thread in our hand. So this
Hmm.
is our festival, and that day we will make very delicious food, and we will enjoy with family together.
Hmm.
That day will be school, college and office, all the things will close in my side, I don't know
Hmm.
here. And
Hmm.
that's how we used to celebrate, but now
Hmm.
is it totally change. Okay, now
Yeah.
change, they will also come, but the main festival we consider it's a brother sister, because
Hmm.
uh, people learn from social media. It's a Indian culture actually, and people
Yes.
learn, and I actually respect each and every culture, each and every religion. So because of human being. Okay, so
Hmm.
now people are selling, but I have seen, ma'am, because of social media, because of views, because of making video purpose, people are
Mhm.
exaggerating the thing a lot. Okay,
Yes.
earlier just to simply they used to do, nowadays because of video purpose they are making very grandly also, right?
Yes.
So
Mm.
and they and who are the capable, it's okay, like a brother sister also they are expecting gift also, like that, right? And they are
Hmm.
brother or sister, they have to exchange a gift, and what I don't know what other things, maybe we will explain later here. As far
Hmm.
as I know, they will sister will tie the thread or something like that hand,
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
brother will give some gift, right? So this kind of
Okay.
yeah, and she will for pray for god long life for brother and something like that.
Hmm.
It's very good for
Hmm.
families purpose, happiness, because mostly everyone are busy, they are living them life in a different struggle, some of the students, some of the housewives, some of the working, but that day those festival they are in that time, mostly family will be gathered and stay together, make delicious food and spend the days very nicely. Okay, this is a very good part. But a little
Hmm.
bit I found is, as I already mentioned, because of social media, people are imitating to other people, like making same thing in a very grandly. I don't know I have a
Yes.
money or not, but I want to do show off. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is I also feel little bit. I think it's not good for upcoming generation. And just
Hmm.
it's just example. Okay, other festival, marriage, each and everything nowadays becoming totally trending. Okay, and which is,
Trending. Yes.
yeah, and which is because of views, because of video, because of something like that. But yes, I enjoy that day because of I can spend my timing with family, and it's a different vibes. Okay, we can get different vibes because of festival, right? Even though I am far from family, that day I miss a lot, but at least we are here, so that's how we are celebrating here. But this part is I am little bit I don't like nowadays, which is going bikriti, something like that, day by day. Okay, so
Yes.
this is we should understand whatever our capability, whatever our we have a potential, like that we have to celebrate any kind of festival. We
Hmm.
should not do show off, we should not go in as a trending, right? Festival is a very pure things. Okay, it's make to heart very pure happiness, it brings a happiness, right? So like that we have to celebrate. We should not follow the other person how they are celebrating, I have to also celebrate same like that. Don't do that, right? Because whatever
Yes.
our capability and ability, just to like follow these things, I would say.
Yes, I think very nice you explained this about this festival. Yes, the main concept of the festival, yes, you just said it very just a right answer. The main concept behind it, there is a mark of the love of brother and sister.
Yes.
Okay, and even I want to edit some things in it that yes, is also mark the respect to each other, brother and sister. But I saw only that this things is missing nowadays. Yes, they love. They are not showing, but they love to each other. But the respect, I think, missing the elder one or the younger one. Now sisters are going in another way, and the brothers also they are not respecting their sister and a brother. So so many cases in the society we are seeing. Even they are just fighting to each other. So many cases are in the court now for the just property division like that.
Yes.
So it's kind of when you just tied a thread on your the brother hand. So I think brothers should understand these things that yes, not for the property, it's for the love and respect. They should value. It's our ethics. It's our culture. So
Yes.
if you are just showing off, like you were just well said, that showing on the just show off because of show off or showing on the social media, you just putting your hand and they are just tied and giving you a gift like to your sister. So it's not should be like this.
Yes.
You should respect really by heart. If you
Yes.
are respecting that, I think these cases in the society can be less. If you're really just going to respect your sister, like
Yes.
and also this so many things are now where after the that bhabhi and yes the daughter-in-law like that they come in. So yes, many things also happens because always just the sister blame to their bhabis that because of her it's going. So I think if you are respecting your brother, so please respect your just a bhabhi also,
Yes.
because it's also make a good bond. You cannot avoid her. You cannot avoid her. But so many sisters only respect to their brother, not to
Yes.
respect their bhabhi. So it's also very not a good thing in the society. So
Exactly.
many things now the growing the time we are just seeing this all things.
Yes.
So yes, so many festivals. Okay, we can understand now the 21st century. So yes, things can be changed. Just passing
Yes.
the time. It's a natural process. It's a natural way. But we
Yes.
should not just avoid. We should not just lack of these our culture actually. The
Yes.
main concept behind this, main concept or main reason why we are celebrating. What is the basic concept behind it? The
Yes.
basic concept, love and respect to each other or our siblings actually.
Yes.
So
Exactly.
I think it should be. So yes, I think yes, we can discuss other things also, but already at 20-25 minute over. So
Yes.
yes, we can. Okay, we can discuss how is the weather in your area.
Here,
Actually, now.
weather, yes, it's a quite pleasant. I would say in every single day raining here. Sometime drizzling, sometime cats and dog types of. So I would say it's a cold evening time. I can't go with only t-shirt in outside because of
Mm,
I feel very cold. Otherwise, in the afternoon, sometime very rarely we can see sunny day. Otherwise, full cloudy in the sky. That kind of weather nowadays here. What about your side?
okay. Yes, in my side there is heavy rain going on. Actually, just last 2 days we just didn't see the sunlight even.
Oh,
Every day, the early morning or late night, yes, we are going to school. So by just taking umbrella or anyhow, just wearing the raincoat, we are going to school. And children also coming in school. I don't know they are enjoying or what, but they are coming by the
okay.
auto, by the buses. They are coming, so it's happening. So I think actually now after just a long time we are just seeing this the rain, actually rainy season.
Yes,
And
yes,
before it 15 days there are so much sunlight or hot humid climate. Then after 1 or 2 days we just see the rain. So I
oh,
think it's a very good weather. Just only by fan we can use, and not no need to use cooler and AC like that. So it's
okay.
happening. So it's just a good and pleasant weather. If
Yes,
I,
yes.
but
Maybe
yes,
from now onward, that humidity and that heat also will be reduced slowly and gradually because of raining,
yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes. Because I was watching the television, so there where I see so many states are suffering because of heavy rain. Even the
Okay.
Assam, even the yes,
Yes,
in the
yes.
south side
Assam
of
totally, it was
yes.
totally flooding, no?
Mm.
Yes,
So
yes.
that I have seen. So if we are actually Assam, is a mountainous area also, na that side. So
Yes,
many rivers, so many just tributaries rivers coming from the main river is Brahmaputra. So they are coming. So I think, oh my God, so the situation is very worse. So who are facing actually some can say that's a pleasant weather because we are facing raining a so long time. But
yes.
yes, they are facing a very critical situation.
Very, very
So
disaster point that time still they
yeah,
are facing, and so
many
many I
people
have
are
seen
going.
social
Hmm.
service, they are going for helping purpose. I have
Yes,
seen some
yes,
government also, maybe they are helping something, they are getting
yes.
helping hand, but yes, I have seen that kind of scenario. It's a totally disaster condition.
Totally,
Yes,
totally.
yes,
Okay, so I think it was very nice conversation. We know
yes,
we can talk so long time, no problem. We know we have idea, we have so many question in my mind. So okay,
yes.
but okay, we can just take the session again if you want. So
Yeah,
okay, no
next
problem.
session again we will have, so no
Next,
problem.
I
And
actually I want to if I other friend also can join. So I want to take the
group
group
session.
session.
Yes, I
Yes,
was also thinking I wanted to do because for a long time we are making plan to group one by
yes,
one. We have to. It will be practice. It will be benefit
of
only for
course.
us, not for other
Yes.
person. But because of timing, I think it's not matching. That's why. Let's
No
see
problem. Three
upcoming
or
day.
four people are ready. Three and four people are ready. We can do. So just please send the message or anyone if just gather four people, so we can do. No problem. Okay. So I think that any holiday you can choose, any holiday or evening time also if they are three or four people are free, so we can take.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. I am
five to
as
six
usual free
p.m.
in the evening. About we should think about other person. Let's I will contact to her them. Okay.
I am ready every time. After 5 or 6, we are ready. No problem.
Okay, okay,
I will
ma'am.
manage my time. Okay, thank you so much, Malati, to joining me and just
And
coming
yes,
for in my channel. Okay.
definitely, ma'am. I also feel totally elated, and you made my day. It was very nice conversation. Thank you so much for having me here once again. Okay, ma'am. Bye. Take care.
Bye.